I look at it with a lot of love, affection, and because it's my friend's whole love of his life, which he's been showing. And I also came to know about it last year when I came here again, when I saw all his passion. And he is really passionate about, and it's very rare to find a heart surgeon who's also passionate about other photographing of wildlife and all. I think it's a brilliant job he's doing, and I think he does it for every year. I would suggest him to do it every 6 months.
I was doing 2 years. Actually, it was 2 years back. It was 2 years back, but looks like only every year we'll do it.
Was it the last 2 years?
Yeah, no, 23. It was 23.
Can you believe I
Yeah,
thought it was
yeah, I
last
know.
year?
It feels like last year. And thank you so much for always coming and encouraging us. And all the funds raised to this goes for the wildlife conservation. We are putting up a big rescue rehabilitation center near Nagpur for all the wildlife. Entire fund goes for that. And thank you for supporting
And
the cause.
actually, I'll tell you something. You should also tell people where to go, because you know so much about it.
Yes.
But on the contrary, I'm going to ask you about.
The first thing I tell the people, please go around Mumbai. All the photos you see in this particular section, everything has come from Mumbai, or Karnala Bird Sanctuary, Y, and near Pune. So I'll first tell our people to go every morning and visit these beautiful birds here. Then
and
within
you told me
Maharashtra,
something about where Nagpur.
within Maharashtra, go to Tadoba, Pench, and there's a beautiful place now.
Tadoba,
Yes, government of Maharashtra created this called Gothan Gaon. It's Umred Gothan Gaon. It's a corridor. It's the most fast corridor in the country. The most famous now. There's a tigress called F2. They call it Gothan Gaon Express. She has got 5 cubs. Rare to have 5 cubs, and rare to have the mother saving the 5 cubs up to 1 year.
So now he is a heart surgeon, a wildlife photographer, and also a travel agent.